Right, we're going to get this two-stroke reservoir out, and then we're going to go from there. I'm getting tempted to maybe move on to the rear caliper after, and reservoir, and start getting all this stuff off. Let's go. Right, so we got the whole of that off. A few other things unplugged as well, I suppose. Next thing I'm going to do, I think, seems to make sense, is we work on the brake caliper. Now, I've looked online at these things, but not 100% sure, so I think we'll just get going. Now, I know we've got a drain, is that the banjo or something? Something like that. Drain the fluid out and go from there, I reckon. And then we can get them off. That's another thing done. I'm assuming they come off. Yeah. Cool. So let's have a little chat. Right, we've got a lot of stuff off actually. I mean, we are really looking like, I mean, the whole loom's disconnected. At least from that side. We've still got to get it out of there, which, like I said, I'm not looking forward to that one. We got the engine. Let me go down here. I think we just got to get some bolts off it, really. I think, apart from the chain, the engine's pretty much free, I think. Saying that, it does look like that swing arm goes through the engine. Sort of, that bolt goes right the way through the engine, which I kind of see why you do that. So that means we probably do have to start thinking about this thing. As I said in the last one, I need to do a little bit of research on that because I don't want to hurt myself. But generally speaking, it's coming off all right. Haven't had a single bolt snap yet since the dreaded beginning bit. But we've got some parts mounting up here. So we've got the carburettor down here, we've got the caliper, and is that the cylinder, I suppose? So we've got a lot of cleaning to do, but once it's all off, we can tackle them little bite-sized pieces. And then I'll be very happy when this frame's ready and we can start adding to the frame again. Should be good, but we're way off that yet. You've got a tax disc, don't see them anymore. Collector's item. So yeah, we're getting there. I think I might leave it there for a bit.